Schwa bangin Sdang ya ka kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpet, ban subscribe ya ka ni ka channel, ban klik ya notification bell, baphen yo kloy ki kubor na ka jela.
Ban plielad ban ai ka rynsan na ka bynta ki khynnah Skul, ban pynpaw ya la ki sab haki ka ïalehkai sports bapher, nalor ka pule ka puthi ka ba ki pulynlut haki saw kynroh jong ki kamra klas, na ka liang ki board pynïaid jong ka Skul St. Mary's Secondary School Nongkhrah mynta ka sngi la plie pyrda no ya ka inter-house annual sports week 8,000 pulai madan ïalehkai ka Skul ha Nongkhrah. Ya kata ke annual sports week lawan ban plie pyrda ban ai men sim ru da ka kong ïalehkai Nongkhrah District School Education Officer ka Ri Bhoi District kum ka kong san ha ka Jingdih lang ka sister Melita headmistress ka St. Mary's Secondary School ki kimi ki khynnah Skul lembat ki Nongkhrah jong ka ni ka Skul. Ha ka sngi plie pyrda ya ka ni ka annual sports meet la Sdang chua da ka Jingdih ya ka march past bala bynta da ki khynnah Skul jong ka red house, blue house, yellow house, but green house. Lapan bot pat da ka jing thang ya ka syarak kum ka dak ban bot thik ya ki kynroh ïalehkai sports ringkat ya ka jing bam smai da ki khynnah Skul bat ban pynpaw ru da ka jing ruai. Jing shat bat mass drill bala bynta da ki khynnah Skul.
And we have a traditional shawl. So, thank you, ma'am. Most welcome.
Be careful when you carry, no?
Next we have the blue house, followed by the girls contingent led by Captain Nongkhrah, followed by the girls contingent led by Captain Ri Bhoi led by Captain Susan Mary's Kynroh. Followed by the girls contingent led
Brothers, boys! Samne! Dek!
Let us go! Samne!
Love in our hearts, with joy in our life, we welcome you this day. A smile on our face, with love in our hearts, with joy in our life, we welcome you this day. We are glad you are here. We are glad you have come. We are glad you are here. We are glad you have come.
IAKI khynnah Skul balay ka don kam ka sports lain tali ki mangan ong ka sports kaya rap ningkong ya ka met kanong ka met lawan piniya nga kanong ka met na hadu kata di ka ningkong kabaan kaya rap ya ka jabing mentally lane ya ka jabiem ka jong pi bat ka balai ya ka eipat ka balai ha Kemensiam bat haka sports pio lot ya kemensiam jong ka jing tresitom kemensiam jong ka jing yatli nomor habe plia kai sports piale relay relay ngatrai piale relay lada climb way lada way urno wat pinung job dem day nomor kita ke sports ke hikai pi banlong kibaya teli baklan banya trailang habe yale football ndai ban klan nan sadian ndai ban klan sa kmatru dem hoi tagadaw kaya rap amday tiya kamen kaya rap ya ka jabing di jong pi bapinlong gi khynnah iba tresitom ka ai bore pi bapin tresitom man ka por ban krek kon nomar balai ka met di jong pi ka kwat ka khia ka jabing ru ka kwat ka khia nangta kamen siam di jong pi ru ka kwat ka khia habi la ka sports pi dia bisni ne Habe ïalehkai lada job away pibisni no itu ba job pibisni ha da dap sibet ngan syok adu benda diko la syai tenum la ïaleh syok pinlam ta kahikai pi ya kamen siam ke jong pi ban accept ya ka jing job jong tu ban kong uba ar uba lai bat la de kirem lu nang ka ka sports ka ai jing mentoy ngap ha om de tingi kini lai teli ka ai jing mentoy ru ya pi ban yo kam yo jam menta haba pi apply ya kanu ka kam kidan kami ki khynnah ki ba kwat ki ba kia
542 students. I hope none of them will drop. So 540, that means 42 of them this year extra admission. So this is also another positive point and a strength to our school. And I believe this is also because of the hard work and dedication of our teachers to the students. So we are very glad, ma'am, that you have come on this occasion. And we certainly will look forward in different occasions that as a yearly program we have already put that we will be having science exhibition and the school annual day and other days. So we hope that we look forward for your presence on different occasions of our school. And your presence certainly give us a boost and strength to work better and more united with each other.